Let us see the current affairs. February 28th it is. Okay. Lionel Messi wins Best Men's Player 2022 at the FIFA Awards. Sailesh Pathak appointed FICCI Secretary General. February 27. Australia beat South Africa to lift ICC Women's T20 World Cup Trophy 2023. PM Modi to inaugurate Shivamogga Airport in Karnataka. This is that airport. PM Modi has inaugurated this one. February 26. Indian Air Force to participate in Ex-Cobra Warrior at Waddington, UK. A contingent of the Indian Air Force will participate in exercise Cobra Warrior at the Waddington Air Force Base in the UK. The exercise is scheduled to be held from 6th to 24th March 2023. It's a multilateral air exercise in which air forces from Finland, Sweden, South Africa, the USA and Singapore would also participate. In 2023, IAF is participating in the exercise with 5 Mirage 2000 fighters, 2 C-17 Globemasters and an IL-78 Midair refueler aircraft. February 25th. India slips to 42nd rank in US Intellectual Property Rights Index. India has slipped to the 42nd position in the International Intellectual Property Rights Index 2023 out of 55 countries for 2022. India was ranked 40th in the index in 2021, whereas in 2022 it ranked 42nd. It was launched by the US Chamber of Commerce Global Innovation Policy Center and is monitored by the Indian government. It evaluates the protection of IP rights in 55 of the world's leading economies, together representing approximately 90% of global GDP. Number 2. INS Sindhu Kesari becomes the first Indian submarine to dock in Indonesia. This is that submarine. February 24th. CAG Girish Chandra Murmu selected as external auditor of ILO in Geneva. Comptroller and Auditor General CAG Girish Chandra Murmu has been selected as an external auditor of the International Labour Organization ILO. This is a short form of International Labour Organization in Geneva. He has been selected for a 4-year term from 2024 to 2027. CAG will take over from the incumbent external auditor of ILO, the supreme audit institution of the Philippines. CAG's appointment is a recognition of its standing among the international community and its professionalism and its global audit experience. Okay, he is Girish Chandra Murmu. That is, he is the external auditor of ILO in Geneva. Now let us see the second one. Former MasterCard CEO Ajay Banga nominated to lead World Bank. He is Ajay Banga. February 23rd. Aam Aadmi Party's Shelley Oberoi wins Delhi mayor election. Aam Aadmi Party's Shelley Oberoi has defeated BJP candidate Rekha Gupta to become the New Delhi mayor. She received 150 votes while Rekha Gupta got 116 seats. She also becomes Delhi's first woman mayor in 10 years. The election was held after the Supreme Court ruled out the possibility of nominated members participating in the voting process. In Delhi MCD polls, the AAP had banked 134 seats, BJP got only 104 seats, and Congress backed 9 seats. HDFC Bank, Lulu Exchange signed to enhance cross-border payments. February 22nd. Rudraksh Patil wins gold in men's 10-meter air rifle in ISSF World Cup 2023. Indian shooter Rudraksh Patil clinched his first World Cup individual gold in the men's 10-meter air rifle event at the ISSF World Cup in Cairo, Egypt. He defeated Maximilian Albrecht of Germany, who was settled for silver, while Miran Merek of Croatia won the bronze medal. In women's 10-meter air rifle, Tilottama Sen, 14, won the second bronze for India. Sionoid Mintos, Great Britain, won gold, and Nina Christian, Switzerland, settled for silver. Then, Prem Kumar Malik backed for the Sangeet Natak Academy Award 2019. Prem Kumar Malik backs for the Sangeet Natak Academy Award 2019. February 21, government appoints B.V.R. Subramaniam as the new CEO of Niti Aayog. The government has approved the appointment of an IAS officer of the 1987 batch of the Chhattisgarh cadre, B.V.R. Subramaniam, as the CEO of Niti Aayog. He would succeed Parameshwaran Iyer, who has been appointed as Executive Director of the World Bank for a period of 2 years. Earlier, he served as the Chief Secretary of Jammu and Kashmir and Additional Chief Secretary in Chhattisgarh. He also served as Private Secretary to then PM Manmohan Singh from 2004 to 2008. He is B.V.R. Subramaniam. And now the new CEO of Niti Aayog. Ranbir Kapoor wins Best Actor at the DPIFF Awards 2023. Ranbir Kapoor wins Best Actor at the DPIFF Awards 2023. February 20th, India-Uzbekistan Biennial Military Ex-District 2023 begins in Uttarakhand. The fourth edition of the Biennial Training EX-District 2023 between the Indian Army and Uzbekistan Army is being conducted in Pitarakhar, Uttarakhand from 20th February to 5th March 2023. The main aim of this is to enhance the military capability to undertake multi-domain operations in a sub-conventional scenario. The 14th Battalion, the Garhwal Rifles, part of Western Command, represented the Indian contingent. The troops of the Northwestern Military District represented the Uzbekistan Army. Next one is India's lunar mission Chandrayaan-3 achieves new milestone. This is Chandrayaan-3 which achieves the new milestone. Let us see February 19th. Saurashtra defeated Bengal to win its second Ranji Trophy title 2023. Saurashtra has defeated Bengal by 9 wickets to lift their second Ranji Trophy title 2023 organized at Eden Gardens, Kolkata. And Saurashtra captain Jayadev Unadkat was declared man of the match for his impressive performance, while batter Arbit Vasavada was named the player of the series. Most runs Mayank Agarwal, he is from Karnataka, 990 he took. Most wickets Jalaj Saxena, Kerala, 50. Saurashtra won their first title in 2019-20 after beating Bengal. February 18, Tata Motors VP Rajan Amba appointed as MD of Jaguar Land Rover India. Rajan Amba has been appointed as the Managing Director of Jaguar Land Rover India effective from 1st March 2023. He will replace Rohit Suri, who announced his retirement from position of MD and President in January 2023. Prior to this role, he worked as a Vice President, Sales Marketing and Customer Care of Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles. He also worked as a Chief Operating Officer with the CaratLane a subsidiary company of Titan. Next one, General M.E. Suchindra Kumar appointed as Vice Chief of Army. General M.B. Suchindra Kumar appointed as Vice Chief of Army. Thanks for subscribing and sharing to your friends, those who are in need of various competitive exams. So thank you so much for subscribing this video. If you subscribe this channel, you will get the further videos that will be very useful for your DO exam as well as other competitive exams. Thank you so much.